Why India isn't the new China. Despite India's rapid economic growth and global influence, the comparison to China may not be as straightforward as it seems. India and China are both colossal countries, each with rich histories, diverse cultures, and immense potential. And while they share certain similarities, it's crucial to understand why India, despite its progress, isn't necessarily following in China's footsteps. Let's unpack the reasons behind this distinction. First, economic structures. One of the primary reasons is the fundamental difference in their economic structures. China, over the past few decades, has been driven by a robust manufacturing sector, becoming the world's factory. And on the other hand, India has been more services-oriented, with a focus on IT, software, and other service industries. Second, economic data. India's strength lies in its information technology and service sectors, contributing significantly to its GDP. While China boasts a massive manufacturing infrastructure, India is carving its niche in the digital economy and services, creating a distinctive economic landscape. Third, population dynamics. Another factor is the demographic contrast between the two nations. India has a younger population, with a large and dynamic workforce. While this can be advantageous in terms of innovation and adaptability, it also presents challenges in terms of employment and infrastructure development. Fourth, Indian cities and technology hubs. India's youth demographic is a double-edged sword. On one hand, it fuels innovation and creativity. But on the other, there's a need for sustained economic growth and job creation to harness this potential fully. Fifth, infrastructure challenges. Infrastructure is a critical aspect where China has surged ahead. The Belt and Road Initiative has transformed China's connectivity, both domestically and internationally, with a vast network of highways, railways, and ports. India, while making strides, faces challenges in developing its infrastructure at a comparable pace. Sixth, Chinese infrastructure projects. China's massive investments in infrastructure have played a pivotal role in its economic ascent. India recognizes the importance of this, and there are ongoing efforts to boost infrastructure development. But it's a journey that requires time and sustained investment. Seventh, global perceptions. Perceptions matter in the global arena. China's rise has been accompanied by a narrative of economic might and technological prowess. India, while making its mark, is often seen through a different lens. The emphasis on democracy, diversity, and a unique cultural identity sets it apart from China's narrative. Conclusion. In conclusion, while both India and China are dynamic players in the global arena, it's essential to recognize their unique paths and strengths. India's story is one of diversity, democracy, and digital innovation, setting it apart from China's manufacturing-led economic juggernaut. As we continue to witness these nations evolve, let's appreciate the distinctive qualities that make each of them significant players on the world stage. Thank you for joining us.